Adam here with Wholesale Septic Supply. We're going to go over how to fix your alarm, which is very, very simple. Okay, your alarm is important, especially your noise alarm, because it alerts you when something's wrong. A lot of people will miss this, or the red light goes out. There's multiple reasons. But if your alarm goes out and it's not making a buzzing noise, and you can test that by just pushing this test button, and it'll go off. If it doesn't make a noise, you come over here. It's actually quite simple to do. Okay, so on the front here, that's threaded in, so you just twist this off, take that out. You don't have to put it back together. Take this one here. Okay. So that's your new one. We have these on our site. An alarm noise maker and or buzzer. Put that on there. And just screw that on like so. Nice and tight. Put these back in. And voila, you have fixed your alarm buzzer. So it's real simple. It's a good thing to have, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, ask them and I'll answer them. But if your buzzer's like that, it's real easy to fix. That's about it. Hope you all have a great day.